So just a quick little detour today. We're in Le Chat, just getting some bits, and we saw some signs for a little mill that's got some antiques in, so we'll have a quick look there. Not that we're after anything. Here you go.
An ocean, a cave, a dream that no one could save, a shelter, a whole act, a light that died with the night. You and I, we got our differences, yet I thought we were more alike than unlike. Months of rain and chest pain, what's the plan? Heavy breathing, stay insane. Grab my hand, everything is great.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you, my boys. Wow, it's a big one.
What is it?
Cool.
Cowgirl, Mommy.
That looks like Dad with his new haircut.
Daddy, here you go. That's so cool.
Wow. Oh, look at this.
Happy Father's Day.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for my things. This is so cool. You made this. What's it called?
It's a cowgirl got button in it.
It's a cargo.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got a magnet in it.
Yeah.
Thank you, Thomas.
Baby cowgirl, baby cowgirl.
Look at these, what someone sent me from the chateau. Hilarious. Oh, it's a miserable day. So Annalise is panicking because I'm going away for one day. So apparently I need like a whole week's worth of shopping so I don't starve.
Long. A lot. I need you down, Daddy.
Right, well we've now got enough stuff for me to survive the apocalypse.
Shut up, you.
For one night.
I just worry, okay? If I didn't worry, no one else would.
So Matt's just let me know he needs me at his house at 4 AM on Monday. 4 AM, like morning. We're like, that's like pre-morning. It's going to be an early long one. From his, it's like 4 hours to get to the job. So it's Father's Day today. I just want to say happy Father's Day to all the dads out there and have a good day. So just a quick update on daily vlogging so far. Still going strong. Tiny bit behind You may have noticed the vlogs are now crossing over kind of like night time of one day to morning time of another. Hopefully tonight will kind of get me a bit back on track, because I think having that one day ahead is really beneficial and it'll keep me out of trouble. But still going strong. And I'll tell you one thing, and now this is getting a bit soppy and poetic, right? But one good thing about it, which I didn't expect, is see, when you do like a weekly vlog, you take kind of all the best bits of the week, put them together, try and make a story out of it. There you go. On a daily, you've got less time, but it's like, you know, not every day you're doing something special or interesting. But what's nice about doing the daily vlogs is it forces me to take a look at my day and pick the moments, the good moments, you know, the beginning, middle and an end of a story out of my little day. You know, you only get to see 6 to 10 minutes of it, so I pick the best 6 to 10 minutes of my day. So, you know, some days are boring, some days you're not doing anything, but by looking at the day and having to pick them minutes out of it, you know, really makes you feel like every day something happens and there's something, you know, to treasure every day. God, that's far too deep for this sort of vlog. But tomorrow you're going to see me going to the party at the chateau. I'm not going for very long because the very next morning, very early, I'm heading to work with Matt in the Dordogne. So this time we flipped a coin. I'm going to go for a few hours and Annalise is going to be at home with the kids. It's far too late for them to be going out. So next time she'll go out and I'll stay home with the kids. And that's adult life, I'm afraid. Keep watching, I really appreciate it. Seeing loads of regular names come up now. So hope you're still enjoying them. The next few days I think it'll be really fun vlogs. Stay tuned for that. And I'll see you in about a week. I'll see you tomorrow.